whenever I do a drone video and you see anything about a drone, it'll most likely end up me A, crashing the drone or killing somebody. Begin epic B-roll on Table Rock in 3, 2, 1, action! To the top. We ditched our stuff into the bushes, hid that there. We're now making our way to the other end of Table Rock, and we're gonna get these cool cliff shots with the drone.
Up in the air right now. We found a really cool peninsula here at Table Rock.
So if you noticed in the video, I had a shot with the drone coming up the side of a cliff and it punches in. Like zooming in, like it's zooming in super far away. So I faked that shot. It's actually 2 shots. It's not just 1 shot. And the way I did it is I shot the drone obviously coming up, and then I faked zooming in with this camera right here, which I'm just zooming in with this camera really far away so I can get doing this so I can get better quality rather than really terrible quality with the drone if I would have punched in this close.
Practicing.
Oh dang, look at that thing go. I didn't crash the drone this time, but I almost crashed it into my wife. I almost crashed it into my wife because it has obstacle avoidance on it. So if it senses somebody around them, then it'll like all of a sudden like and pull back. So I wasn't gonna hit her, but it sensed her nearby. And so I had this really cool shot where I'm going by her on the cliff, and it ends up like the sensors go off like right next to her, sensing her, and then it starts going towards her, and I'm like, what are you doing, you stupid drone? Anyways, bad experience. All right, so just expect every time I do a drone video that something exciting or dangerous is gonna happen. Either I'm crashing the drone or I'm gonna kill somebody with it. Is guaranteed. I didn't want to kill my own wife. Anyways, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. See you later.